Hi, I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, a custom furniture shop in St. Petersburg, Florida, and we're going to talk about wood lathe patterns. Patterns are pretty simple to work with, and basically when you're doing a turning, you only need to do half your pattern because you're working from the center line out. It's going to be a mirror image, so you don't need to worry about the other half. And there's essentially two measurements you need. The measurements from end to end, which tell you where your dimension changes are going to be. In this case, 3/4 of an inch, 1 1/8, 2 1/8, and the overall length of 4 1/2. Along with that are the dimensions at those points, and these dimensions are actually the full dimension, not the half dimension, of 1 9/16, 1 1/4, and 1 5/8. Patterns are important if you've got a specific design in mind at the end. This allows you to set all your points and your depths so that the end product is what you planned on in the design stages. If you choose to do something freehand, of course, you don't need the pattern, and that's just kind of a turning, and whatever happens kind of happens, so a pattern's not necessary at that point. I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, the fine art of furniture making.